This time we're taking a look at the Airfix Arado AR-196A-3, a 1/72nd scale kit with tooling that dates all the way back to 1966. The real Arado AR-196 was the most successful seaplane used by the German Air Force and Navy during the Second World War. It was the standard shipborne catapult seaplane of the German Navy and operated widely from coastal bases. Its primary role was coastal reconnaissance and patrol, but as the war progressed it was also used for anti-submarine duties, convoy escort and even attacking RAF Coastal Command Whitleys. First introduced in 1940, the AR-196A-3 replaced the earlier A-1 variant. The A-3 came with improved radio equipment and heavier armament. Between 1940 and 1944, nearly 500 examples of the A-3 and the very similar A-5 were produced, most of them in Germany, although some were built in occupied France and the Netherlands. Now back to the kit itself, and the parts are nicely moulded for their age, and should build up quite well. This Arado AR-196A-3 is a perfect example of a classic Airfix kit. Simple, effective, and full of history. The instruction sheet is straightforward and shows off some really cool paint schemes that honestly make me want to get the brushes out straight away. Would you build it as one of the 1940 North Sea or 1943 Crete options, or go for something completely different? If you've enjoyed this episode of Retro Unboxing, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.